Alright, next item. Let's see here. We got power, which is 9 shots, and the performance on it is as follows. If I can get a focus here. 9 shots, red and blue tails to gold willow. Alright. Okay, we got a little bit of a big one here. Breakout. And the performance on this is 7 shots of whistling and blinking strobe bursts. It's a pretty heavy one, so it should be good. Here's what the top looks like. Breakout. Breakout by Dominator. Dominator Power Cake, 9 shots.